Ben Ray is strong. Anyway, it's great to be here, and I want to thank Senator Wyden for helping lead this event, Senators Shaheen and Merkley and Lujan, who've said great words. And also, if you've been an advocate working hard to make sure that people know exactly what's happened, raise your hands. Thank you, thank you, thank you for what you have done. We need you. And we're going to have we need you all of August to pound away at this issue and let people know how bad it is. The more people know about it, the more they hate the big, ugly betrayal. And now more and more people are knowing about it because of the work done by my colleagues here, my whole Senate caucus, the House Democratic caucus, and all of you. So thank you very much. Look, I mean, it's hard to believe that people could be in this bubble, these right-wingers who are in the House and the Senate. I mean, to take away people's health care, do they know what that means? Do they know what it's like to have a daughter with cancer and Medicaid or ACA is paying for your treatment, and all of a sudden it's ripped away, and that $2,000 cap, which we all worked so hard to install, is gone in January? And what are you going to do? What are you going to do? My child is going to die. Why? Tax breaks for billionaires. Tax breaks for billionaires is why they did this thing. They have no rationale for it. They talk about waste, fraud, and abuse, and they can't find very much because there isn't. There's some. We want to get rid of it, but it's not close to even a tenth of what they said they needed to cut. The idea that people could find health care elsewhere? Bull, why do you think this was passed? Because for 2 centuries, America didn't have poor people, elderly people getting health care, and they were dying. And the fact that our life expectancy is so much longer and we live longer and healthier, one of the most important reasons, if not the most important reason, is we have Medicare and Medicaid. People are getting the health care they need. And what would the average American say they most want? I'll tell you what I would for my family and me: a long, healthy, good life. Taken away. So it's just unbelievable what these people are doing. The good news is that the American people are on our side. Every day, more and more of them come over to our side. This idea, folks, that there's no difference between Democrats and Republicans is utter bull. Just look at the vote. Every Democrat voted against the cuts. Every Republican voted for the cuts. I don't care if these Republicans said, well, it's not, I don't really like it, but I have to go along with Trump. Trump, who has no understanding of what average people go through and is in his own little bubble talking to his rich friends. Oh, yeah, I hear someone say, well, I talked to my driver. He's happy with things. Yeah, who's paying him? So we really need to, on this day, on this commemorative day, when, as was mentioned before, I think by Jeff, that Democrats and Republicans got together and said we have to pass Medicaid and Medicare, is a day that will be one of the great days in American history, and we can't let it go away. The fight is not over. We're just in the middle of it. We're going to fight, fight, fight until we win. And I want to thank our dear advocates as well, because they bring the personal knowledge to people of what this is. This isn't abstract. This isn't numbers. This is people in their lives, what they want the most: health for themselves, their children, their loved ones, their friends. We're going to fight until we win this fight. Join us. I know you are. Thank you.